Welcome back to another video, guys. Real quick one today. We got a new piece of equipment for the tractor for the land that is going to help out this spring, and it is a 2-bottom plow. Now this is a Ford 2-bottom, not a Ferguson, so it's a little bigger. I'm not sure of the size, but we're going to get the boom pole hooked up to the tractor, and we're going to see if we can lift it, get it in the backyard for now, and then we'll take it out next month to the property and start plowing. Alrighty guys, so here she is. Like I said, Ford 2-bottom plow. Not sure the size, but we're gonna get those measured so we can find out. It did come with the coulters that are in the back of the truck there. Alrighty guys, we're gonna leave you here. The tractor did awesome. It lifted awesome. I don't know how heavy that plow is, but it's probably around 400 pounds. So I'm really happy with the tractor. It did good. We used it to back the trailer in and out as well. Save the ruts in the yard. We don't want any of that. So until next time, make sure you stay tuned. Lots more plowing, farming, planting, tractor work to come. So hope you like it. Like, subscribe. See you later.